Hi. Firstly, I want you to enjoy this video before I could even edit this. So we'll go for a little tour just for a few seconds. So now the camera is mounted on the helmet and I'm gonna wear it. Let's go. Okay, this is the bridge which is quite... No, thank you. This is the bridge which is right in front of the most famous dam called Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Before going to that place, we'll be going here. Just look at it. And to this. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Boom! Hey, so this is a real quick video to tell you the most funniest thing which has happened to me while shooting down some of the clips or the shoots to make a vlog. Yes, before which I want to show you guys this. This is our destination which is known as Ethipothala Falls. So this has formed not because of the river. This is all water, as you can see, three waterfalls. So these water are formed due to the rainfall. Just with the rain they have come up. You getting it? Yep. Back to the topic. The most funniest thing while shooting down the vlog. Yes guys, so as you can see over there, I have placed my bag. Previously it was there on the other bench. I took out the cameras and I started shooting few of the videos. By the time I realized one monkey came and started taking the things and the stuffs which are there inside my bag, which made me to stop this vlog. I'm very scared, I don't know why. But for me cameras is also important. Without that I can't record it. I can't do anything. This is one of my closest things. I hope you guys understood, right? Because I was very close, very much close to the waterfall, and then by that time when I noticed that monkey was taking on some of the things from my bag, I was freaked out. I ran back and I ensured the bag is safe. Thank God by the time I reached, the monkey left. Just lucky me. Else, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. So before we leave, let's have one more look at this beautiful view once again.